In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your affiliate links on Whop. If you're using Whop to promote products or memberships, knowing exactly where to find your affiliate links is essential. These are the links you'll share with your audience so you can earn commissions, and Whop gives you a simple dashboard where you can see and manage them. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to access that area and what you'll see once you're there. First, open your browser and head over to the Whop website. Log into your account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Whop Home dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see an overview of your account, products, and activity. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. This is the main navigation for your Whop account. Take a moment to scroll through it if needed and look for the option labeled Affiliates. It should be listed alongside your other sections like your home feed or products. Go ahead and click on Affiliates. This will take you to the dedicated affiliate section of your dashboard. This is where Whop organizes everything related to your affiliate activity. If you have active affiliate links, this page is where they'll appear. Once the affiliates page loads, you'll see a dashboard with information for each of your affiliate links. For every link, you can typically view key details such as what the link is connected to, your earnings from that link, and other performance metrics. This might include how much revenue it has generated, how many people have used it, or how many sales it has helped close. Take some time to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the layout. Each row usually represents a single affiliate link, with columns showing the important stats. This makes it easy to compare which links are performing best and which ones might need more promotion. If you don't see any links yet, it may mean you haven't been approved for any affiliate programs, or you haven't created links for specific products. In that case, you'll want to apply for affiliate programs or follow Whop's instructions for joining and generating links for products you want to promote. And that's it. By going to your Whop Home dashboard, clicking on affiliates in the left-hand column, and viewing the information displayed there, you can quickly find